Let's talk about Mr. Floor. In the past 2 months, you've launched this new deep cleaning floor system that I know nothing about. I'm just learning about it now. What is it? Is it the same blue spritz stuff that you put on the floor, or is it a different type of makeup? Is it a different formula? What is it?
So the formula is exactly the same, Dave. The same one you're familiar with. But what we did is we made it easier for people to receive everything in a single box that they would need to perform a proper deep cleaning of their floors.
Okay, so you're selling the mop with it, and a sweeper beforehand to clean up all the dog hair and all the schmutz on top before they spray the blue formula down.
Correct. So basically, once they go to MrFloor.com and they order the deep cleaning kit, what they're going to get basically is they're going to get our wood floor cleaner, which you're very familiar with, and I know you use it at home, and your floors look spectacular.
Yeah, and I used it on the home that I sold. When it was listed, Amy Kite sold it.
Yeah.
And before she came in to do her Matador with the pictures and the video,
the 3D,
the 3D, the 4, I think it's 4D. I don't know what it is. Where it basically gave you a 360-degree view of the room. It's a great system. A lot of realtors have it.
Sure.
I have 3 kids. Each kid took a bottle. My wife took a bottle. I took a bottle, and we were, unbeknownst to me, on our hands and knees with the micro the
micro pad
with the micro pads. And I'm like, there's got to be an easier way to do this, but we wanted to sell the house, make the house look spectacularly beautiful, and it did. We sold the house in under a week, and every time that we showed it, we took our spray bottles and we took our positions and worked our way out the garage door because we wanted the house to look spick and span. I know that's another product, but that's but you've got it. It's a deep cleaning in a box.
Correct. So what we basically did is we simplified what you just described. So we have our cleaning product along with an all-aluminum, very durable mop.
Yeah.
Okay. It comes with an extra wide microfiber pad.
Okay.
And then we give you another 1 or 2 to go along with it, so that you always have enough to kind of do an entire house if you need to.
Do you take it out and throw it in the washing machine?
You can absolutely throw it in the wash. It's up to 300 machine washes.
Wow.
Okay, it's a very durable product.
And how much can you get square foot per each cleaning?
So our bottles are rated approximately at 2,000 square feet.
Okay.
So if you were to use up every ounce of that bottle, you would basically do a 2,000 square foot house.
With the same type of mop head?
With the same type of mop head, but we always recommend, depending on how soiled the floor is, that you periodically remove the soiled one. You can rinse it in the sink, let it air dry, use the replacement one, keep going while that one's drying, and then throw it back on. But what's great about ours is you don't need a bucket of water, you don't need a mop, you're not oversaturating the floor, you're not coating the floor with any oil or wax. Everything you need for a proper cleaning is in our bottle. So it's a spray bottle. You spritz it, onto the wood floor, and then you walk this microfiber mop up and down, and that cleans and conditions the floor.
What does that cost? What's the investment in that?
So the investment is $40.
And how many bottles of cleaner do you get?
You get 1 bottle to get you started, and then we also sell the refill gallons on our website at MrFloor.com. And again, we recommend
promo code WGN.
Use the promo code. I mean, it's a nice savings on your first try.
Yeah.
And then just moving forward, that's all you have to do. You don't have to buff it. You don't have to wax it. You don't have to do anything. Just spray and wipe.